morning. I'm heading out to Home Depot, my favorite location. Not Lowe's today. And I'm going to get a couple of things. 1x4x8s. I could use one piece, make two cuts on it, meaning I could use two pieces of the one piece of wood. And I gotta get a 2x4. I gotta get two of them. And then I gotta get some nails. I gotta get some bolts, some washers, and I'm good to go. Fish! What do you need all that stuff for? I'll tell you what I need it for. I'm making a fence 4 feet, and I'm attaching it to a planter as well. Now on the fence, I think I'm gonna leave an inch gap. That means I don't need as much wood as I want. And I didn't add up. I'm just gonna go get the wood, take a guess what I need. 8 feet. Now take 8 feet and do some math. Now they're 4-inch width, and every 4 pieces, you got it. That's a piece of wood. So I take away 1 piece of wood. So I don't have to get 2 pieces of wood. I could get 12 rather than 14. Got what I needed. 11 pieces, 2 bolts and washers and screws. I forgot washers, man. Just 4 of them. But I bought 12 others and I put them back by mistake. I got exactly what I needed. Once in a year, baby. Off I gotta do my work. Some screw, a bolt, a washer, into the wall. Now I gotta do this one. I got my spaces what I want. I'm coming along, and I ran out of wood. Only got 6 more pieces to go. I gotta do the rest. That's what you call a job well done. Until I fix what's behind there and my line down there. Oh yeah, all done.